You will find it interesting to know that the default data type that the input function takes input as is a string. So irrespective of the input you request from the user, age, name, height, etc., it will be collected as a string. And we can back up this observation with a real-time example. Looking at the image on the previous slide, we are able to see that I have asked the user for two pieces of inputs, full name and age. The user has entered their full name correctly and their age. However, the age is not in a data type that we were expecting. The user chose to type their age as a string, and because the input function accepts any input as a default string data type, it has accepted the input provided. Therefore, we are logically required to effectively apply a check to the input provided for age. We need to reinforce the idea that the age needs to be in the form of an integer. To do this, the process is known as casting. Essentially, what this means is that you are converting one data type to another. Casting is a simple process that involves utilizing the keywords. We will attempt to create a program for our scenario as follows.